In this video, I'll guide you through how to solve the story archive not showing properly in your Instagram, or it may just be disappearing from your story archive. So for that, tap on Instagram first. Now tap on your profile. Now tap on the hamburger menu. After that, click on archive. Here you'll see all the archives related to your Instagram account, anything that you may have posted in the past. Now tap on post archive to see story archive or live archive or instance archive. Tap on story archive. As you can see, nothing is showing here. Now scroll down until you find archiving and downloading. Now tap on archiving and downloading. After that, here as you can see, there is an option called save story to archive. As this option is turned off, so any stories that I may have posted in the past, they are not saved to the archive. So if you make sure that this button is turned on, any post that you post from now on will be saved to your archive and you don't have to worry about it. So just tap on the button. Now this should solve the problem related to this. If it still doesn't work, then tap on the Instagram, click on icon. Now go to the storage section and tap on clear cache. This will fix any minor bugs or glitches that may be preventing from accessing your archives. So thank you for watching the video till now. Hope you enjoyed it.